Jai Ram everyone. Today is day 11 of my 150 days GET preparation journey. So in morning I started with reading newspaper for around 30 minutes, and today the topic of editorial was rephasing global development finance. After that I took a quants class. It was a second lecture on special equations. In the evening, from 6 pm to 8 pm, I attended a VARC class. It was a verbal ability class with a mixed variety of questions, including parajumbles, parasummaries, and missing sentences. After taking a break, at 10 am, I gave topic test of 2 RC passage and 5 VA questions. In VA, I did parajumbles. Post that, I analyzed and solved the topic test of algebra that I gave yesterday. And with that, I ended my day. Thank you all for watching my video.